So I'm going to actually spend the day at Animal Kingdom today. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me just for a little fun DAK day. I have my I have just met you and I love you hat on because someone I really relate to is Doug. Because I have ADD, so I say I have my squirrel moments like Doug. So come along with me to Animal Kingdom. On the Skyliner. Look at what the humidity did to my hair. It didn't last. Did not last. I love the Skyliner because the wind that you guys get. They're like
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner.
Everyone knows Daniel already.
Studios.
It's been a while.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
I'm not
with
lost
connecting
this time.
flights to
I promise I won't get
International
lost.
Gateway,
Okay.
Disney's Pop Century Resort,
I'll hold you to that
and
one.
Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
We're not losing Daniel today.
We hope you enjoyed your visit to
I love turning this corner. Oh, this is a tree. Apparently people don't know about this. The way to the tree. Take this little walkway. It's at the Tree of Life Garden. I'm showing Daniel. Once you see this, I'm gonna go right through the pathway.
See, you always got me learning something new.
Who's the best tour guide at Disney?
You, oh my gosh! I'm doing shark!
Ooh, wait, let's see him on the other side.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
He's not swimming anymore.
Did he go into the shade?
I think so.
Yeah.
We lost him.
Into the shade. Hurry!
Wait, he's over here.
Wow. It's huge. Look at all the pathways.
This is one of my therapy spots. Usually when I'm alone, I come over here and I just sit.
This seems like a good place to just
Look, you can see all the scorpions.
sea creatures. This is, what do you know? This is a lobster.
That's a lobster? Oh, it looked like a scorpion. Oh, that is a lobster.
That's an animal. We love learning about prehistorics. It's so pretty back here.
It's very relaxing.
Stop.
There's a tree. Your face of amazement. And you can see all the little animals on it.
Woodpecker. Chameleon. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Flying squirrel.
And the bird right here.
Snake. Squid. Ant.
That's a big ant. We see a little waterfall area. Give me some fin. Noggin. Dude. Nice little refreshing spot. Refreshments. We love it. Little hidden spot. A lot of people apparently don't know about it. So Animal Kingdom Go find the tree of life.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Jamming.
Get ready. Get ready. Come on, get ready. So, you know it. I'm gonna get you. So come put up your left hand together.
We got Dino Bite snacks. I got a 50th anniversary celebration ice cream sandwich. Daniel got an old-fashioned sundae.
And then a bestie cookie. It pays to be a CP.
Yes.
It's a
Everest. There's a cavalcade.
finally here.
On the hit Mickey.
Hit it, Mickey!
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. What do? We swim. No singing. No singing. Fly, Dory.
My son.
Hey everybody, listen up. Let's do it again. Come on.
It's not an Animal Kingdom day if you don't see Kevin.
Just like Kevin. I know nobody lies without getting it wrong. So I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach.
Daniel, squirrel!
Squirrel,
Squirrel!
squirrel.
Hi mates, we're gonna go on the safari and it started downpouring, so it's gonna be fun. Welcome to Florida, Sunshine State.
We love it.
Safari in the rain.
To see a couple of pink back pelicans. Maybe you think to yourself, well, they don't look very pink, and you know what? You would be right. They only turn pink during their mating season, which happens pretty randomly throughout the year. Unlike other birds who have set mating seasons, these guys do not. These Nile crocodiles. You can tell the difference between alligators and crocodiles just by looking at their mouths. So when an alligator closes its mouth, you can't see any of its teeth. But with crocodiles, when they close their mouth,
All
their
the
teeth
people
will
want to
poke
see
out
crocodiles
from
and
their jaws, giving them a
alligators in
really
Florida.
toothy grin. See a couple of Maasai giraffe. Maasai giraffe are known for their irregular patterns on their backs. They can grow up to be about 20 feet tall. They'll only sleep for about 30 minutes a day. The rest of their day they're going to spend it eating. So actually they have a dark purple colored tongue. Now the road to the petting zoo is closed, but that's okay. There's another road up ahead. Also, you're getting a really great view of these guys just from right here. Now, African elephants are the largest of their species. Them all together is called, these are greater flamingos, which means that they are the largest and the lightest colored pink of their species. You're going to see the world's fastest mammal along the tree line over there. She looks like she's pouncing on something over there. Now there are 5 females that like to hang out here at the horizon. Now a couple of these guys coming up here on your left hand side, these are water buck. And I know it's been raining and they're wet from that, but they also will always look like that because they've got an oily secretion that comes off their skin to help their skin.
Slowly walk because I
gonna
have
brace
no
the
grip.
rain. I love this.
We love it.
Welcome to Florida. Shower who? I don't need a shower.
And I can't run because I have no football machine.
If I get struck by lightning, do I get workers' comp?
Period. 'Cause
I
it's
am
all-
on Disney property.
You're on Disney property.
So will I get workers' comp? I'm just, I don't even care anymore. Came inside the store for 2 seconds and now we're gonna book it. My thing is super blurry right now because it was raining. And I don't know if you can see how soaked we are. But we made it to Pandora. Oh, the Sunshine State!
Toda esta experiencia deberán permanecer sentados, inclinarse hacia
What'd you
adelante agarrando
think?
las barras y supervisen sus movimientos.
Daniel's first time.
Like I just ran those things, I just straight down on your right.
Should I buy the raincoat? It's $64. $64, which means it's $32. Do I get it?
with tax.
It's still raining. A little bit. A little bit. But Daniel rode Flight of Passage for the first time.
I loved it. It was great.
Soarin' 2.0?
5.0.
5.0. Is that like a rating? Like
It is now.
5 out of 10? Or
It's 5 period.
5, like 5 out of 5. It was a rating of 5, it's 5 out of 5. Okay, so would you do it again?
Most definitely.
Okay. Ah! I'm gonna attempt to take my shoe off and see if water comes out of it. Nope. It's just drenched, this thing did. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly content. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at @ACinderellaStory. Have a magical day!